How do I get over my fear of failure in art? Many artists may be afraid of not being able to accurately capture their ideas or create a piece that lives up to their own standards. When it comes to creating art, fear of failure can be a real roadblock, and it's natural to want to make something that is well received and aligns with your own high standard. But what many artists don't realize is that taking risks and experimenting with new ideas has always been crucial to growth and improvement. Instead of letting fear hold you back, embrace it and use it as motivation to push yourself out of your comfort zone. If a piece doesn't turn out the way you want it to, look at it as an opportunity to learn and try something different next time. Don't let setbacks define your artistic journey. Even the most successful and renowned artists have had their fair share of failures. But they didn't let it hold them back. They used it as an opportunity to learn and evolve, which ultimately led to their success. So let go of the fear and have faith in your ability, because you never know what masterpiece you're going to create next.